Etsy says that adding a video to your Etsy listing can help it show up in search, but not sure what to create? Today I'm going to show you 3 easy video ideas that you can create today for your digital downloads. Hi, I'm Natasha and I'm documenting my journey to bring my Etsy store back to life. I'm going to be sharing what's working, what's not, and everything I learn along the way. If that sounds like something you're interested in, consider subscribing. Now, before we get started, there's a few things that we need to know. First is that Etsy listing videos are 3 to 15 seconds long, and once they're uploaded to the Etsy website, they have no audio. Okay, so the first way that you can create a listing video is to animate your listing image. So I created my listing image in Canva. I created it in a previous video. If you want to check out how I did that, you can watch that. But all I have to do is animate this image. You can animate the whole page. So if you want to click here, you can go animate. And if you want to click the page, there's a few different ways that you can do it. I actually kind of like this. I don't want that one. I think I like the simple one, but if you don't want to animate the whole page, you can click on the item that you want animated. So you can click on these coupons, would be what I would use. Then you would go animate, and then so you would be animating the element this time, not the page. So there's a few different ways that you can just animate the items that you selected. I would probably keep it pretty simple, maybe erase. You can do it on both entry and exit, or you can do it just enter or just exit. I'm going to go with a page animation, I think. I'm just going to go with a simple one. To change the duration of this video, so I have it currently set at 8 seconds. You can just change the timing here. Don't go longer than 15 seconds. Also, you can add different images. So you can have this image here, and then you can animate the next one as well, and that can also be a part of your video. But for me, I just want one. I'm just going to keep it really simple. Now I'm just going to go share, download as an MP4, which is a video. I want this page. If you were going to choose more than one page in here, you could do either all or custom, but I'm going to do this page, and then I'm going to go download. And just like that, you have a really simple animation. So if you wanted to do that, that's the easiest way to do it. If you create a thumbnail in Canva, there's really like no reason why you can't have a video, because it's just that easy. Okay, so now the second way that I'm going to create a video is to record a screen recording and then show that my product is editable. Now I'm going to record my screen. So for me, I have a Mac, so I'm going to go Command-Shift-5. Now that is how I record my screen. I'm not sure how you would do it on a PC. I would have to look that up. So first I'm just going to edit my coupons. So now I'm going to stop my screen recording, and then I'm going to upload that video to Canva. Now I'm going to create this one as a square as well, because your videos show on the search screen and Canva keeps on changing the sizes of those. So if you click on the scissors, you can trim your clip. And so I'm just going to push into where I just actually start editing. So you can see where it is on your screen. There it is. Okay, I might need to zoom out because you can't see that one fully. Okay, now the third way that you can create a video is to film your actual product. So for me, I have a digital download, but it is intended to be printed. So I have printed it and cut it out. If you haven't already printed and cut it out, you can film printing it and you can film cutting it out, and then yeah, that can be a part of your video as well. But I already have it done, so I'm just gonna film my actual product. I'm going to get a few shots on my phone filming it, and then I'm going to use those together to make a video. So these are my love coupons printed out, and so I'm just going to get that filmed. Okay, so I filmed a few shots. They weren't anything special. I just put a sheet down on my desk and filmed with the natural light. So I'm going to go into Canva again. I'm going to go to create a new project. This time I'm going to go into videos. So I'm going to go with square. I'm just going to drop all the videos I filmed into the timeline. There they all are. This needs to be rotated. So I'm just going to go flip and flip. So I'm just going to crop that. So to trim it, you just go back into this little scissors section, and it's just going to be really quick. Okay, so I might go with this one, flip and flip. I might delete that one. I didn't like that. Delete that one. Delete that one. So I have 3 here. I'm going to go with that one there, that one, Let's see how this looks now. I'm going to trim the end just here. I might slow it down as well. So speed, I'm going to go slower. That's plenty, and then I'm just going to trim it down and then trim this as well off the front. This one I want to slow down as well. So speed, slow that down. And then I think that's a fine speed. So now I've just got 3 quick clips together. So I'm going to edit the coloring because I don't really like it. I'm going to go edit. I'm going to try some of these filters. I feel like that actually makes it more an accurate color. I'm not the biggest fan of the video, but it is something and it shows you how to create one. Okay, so now I've done that. I'm not going to add any audio because you can't add audio anyway. And so I'm just going to download it. I would probably put a little bit more time into that. I would want my product to feel a little bit more luxury. So I would probably spend more time like setting up my background. So now you have 3 easy ways that you can create a listing video for your listings, and then they can hopefully help you show up better in search. Thanks for watching.